Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get a RedotPay promo code in 2026, how to use it, and how to make sure you actually get the bonus. Let's get straight into it. What is RedotPay? RedotPay is a digital payment platform that lets you manage your money, send payments, and handle transactions easily. Like many fintech apps, they sometimes offer promo codes to attract new users or reward existing ones. How to get RedotPay promo codes? Number one, official website and app. The first and the most reliable place is the official RedotPay website or mobile app. Check their homepage or promotions section. This is where they usually post active offers. Number two, sign up bonuses. Sometimes RedotPay automatically applies a promo when you create a new account. So even if you do not manually enter a code, you might still receive a welcome bonus. Number three, email new settlers. If you sign up for their email updates, you can receive exclusive promo codes directly in your inbox. These are often limited time offers, so keep an eye on them. Social media pages. Follow RedotPay on platforms like Twitter, X, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Companies often drop promo codes during campaigns or special events. Number five, referral programs. Another easy method is using a friend's referral link or code. Both you and your friend may get a reward after signing up and completing basic steps. Number six, coupon and deal websites. You can also check trusted coupon websites. Just make sure the code is updated for 2026 because many older codes expire quickly. How to apply the promo code. Using a RedotPay promo code is simple. Download the RedotPay app or go to their website, sign up or log in into your account, look for a promo code or referral code field, enter the code and confirm. In some cases, the code is applied automatically during registration. Important tips. Check expiration dates. Promo codes do not last forever. Read the terms. Some offers require specific actions like making a transaction. Use trusted sources only. Avoid fake or outdated codes. One time use. Most promo codes can only be used once per user. Why your promo code might not work. If your code isn't working, here are a few common reasons. The code has expired, you entered it incorrectly, it's only for new users, and you already have an account, you haven't completed the required steps yet. Always double check these before trying another code. Final thoughts. Getting a RedotPay promo code in 2026 is pretty simple if you know where to look. Stick to official sources, use referral programs, and act quickly before codes expire. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.